Hi, my name's Brooke and today we're going to be making some craft together. It's going to be a racetrack t-shirt for Dad for Father's Day. What you need for this craft is a white t-shirt, some cardboard, some fabric paint, fabric pens, a truck or car, and some other things that can be used as a stamp. So I've got some lids and also a block. The first step of this craft is to take your piece of cardboard and draw your racetrack. So I've drawn mine here. It can be any shape that you like, and mark out where you might do some signs as well. The next step is to put this inside your t-shirt and to secure it. I've put my piece of cardboard inside the t-shirt and secured it with some clips. You might want to use a pencil to now trace over the line again so you can see it nice and clearly. The next step, you're going to take your little truck and you're going to put just the first two wheels in. Okay, so we're just going to be printing with the first two wheels. Then you're going to trace around your racetrack with the wheels as your printmaker. Now that we have our racetrack all painted, we're going to put in some signs. So I've got a little block here and I'm just going to pop it into my fabric paint and make sure one side has got a nice lot of paint on it, just like that. And then I'm going to pop a few places where there might be a stop sign. Now I'm going to take a lid off one of my paints and pop it into the green. I'm going to use some of these as my go signs. You can use the other side if you like to do some yellow ones. Once your signs dry, you can use your fabric paint pens to write onto the signs what they are. If you'd like, you can take a paintbrush and do some dots down your racetrack. I'm going to wait for this to dry and show you the finished result. And here's Dad's racetrack t-shirt. So on Father's Day, he can have a lay down and a massage at the same time. Happy Father's Day!